Welcome back, my YouTube family. Welcome back to another episode of Eating with Guap. Today, we had the barbecue sticky ribs with snap peas. It's finna go down. Let's dig in. I see a fat one back here, man. How everybody evening going? How your day going? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. We back with another one. And you know I got to have a Louisiana hot sauce this time around. My last rib video, I didn't have it, but I got it today. How everybody doing today, though? Y'all gonna see it. Y'all see it. Watch that. Watch that. You'll see that? We going in for the first bite. Snap peas. You gotta chase barbecue sticky ribs with some snap peas. That's all that juice popping out of them snap peas. I steamed the snap peas. Gotta chase her. Gotta chase her. It's only right if you chase her. Good falling off the bone, right? I don't know if y'all can see that steam, but these just came out the oven. Less than 5 minutes ago. Who else eat barbecue ribs with some hot sauce? Let me know. Today was an awesome day. I'm never complaining. Every day I wake up, I look to make progress closer and closer to accomplish what I'm looking to accomplish. So every day I make sure I take a step closer. Still checking things off on my weekly to-do list. Still on the mission. To build generational wealth. And assist others while doing so, be in the service to others while doing so. Gifts are worth giving, correct? Do y'all agree with me? So I consider knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, encouragement, motivation as gifts. Just want to live in abundance. Excuse me while I clean this. That's why I'm at, that's why I'm at mentally, y'all. You know, a lot of people come into our lives and just take, and never want to give. Like, I don't consider that abundance. Look at that, y'all. They say give, and you shall receive. And that's all I do is give. And, right, you know how people do things, like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get my blessing. Let me do this so I can get my blessing. I don't think it worked like that. But I could be wrong. I think it should be genuine. You should do things without looking for a blessing. You should just be kind enough, generous enough to just do it out your kindness of your heart. And if the blessing come, but don't just do things because you feel you're gonna receive a blessing. Like, let me give this person $1 because I'm gonna get my blessings. Like, I don't think that's how that works. But I could be wrong. But what y'all think about that? Y'all think that's, how you feel about that? You know I gotta come in and judge with my people. But my kids got hot sauce on. I heard somebody in the video, I heard y'all like, get the one in the front, get the one in the front. I'm like, this one right here. Get that one right there for y'all. You see that? That's my work. And I didn't have time to. You need to get me a production crew. I'll teach the kids how to hold a camera for me. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. You guys be so rapping to your purpose that either you try to utilize every second out of the day and put your mission at the forefront and can't sleep, or you can't wait to go to sleep to wake up to be at it again. I deal with both. I deal with both. You gotta chase it with the snap pea. There you have it. That's another episode of Eating with Guap. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell notification for the next video. You never know what you're going to see me eating or what's in front of me. But I bet you won't be disappointed. You did. I appreciate everybody watching. Y'all have a blessed one. Until next time, love you all.